Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Tungsten Ice Fishing Jig Kit. The kit comes in packs of 21 or 45, providing a variety of sizes and colors to suit different fishing conditions. The assortment allows you to experiment with different presentations and figure out what works best on a given day. The jigs are made from tungsten, which is denser than lead. This allows the jigs to sink faster and reach the desired depth more quickly, making them highly effective in cold water where fish are less active. The tungsten also gives the jigs a smaller profile, making them less noticeable to wary fish. The Tungsten Ice Fishing Jig Kit is a fantastic choice for serious ice anglers. The glow-in-the-dark feature, combined with the fast-sinking tungsten material, makes these jigs highly effective in cold, low-light environments. Whether you're targeting crappie, panfish, or walleye, this kit provides all the tools you need for a successful day on the ice. The variety of jigs, available in different sizes and colors, offers plenty of options to suit various fishing conditions, making this kit a versatile and valuable addition to any ice angler's tackle box. These jigs glow in low light conditions, which is a great feature for ice fishing in deeper water or when visibility is poor. The glow attracts fish by mimicking bioluminescent prey, increasing your chances of getting bites, especially in murky water or at dusk and dawn. Our second, best ice fishing lures for crappie Alicino ice fishing jig. The jigs feature a micro jig head design, making them ideal for finesse presentations when fish are sluggish in cold water. The smaller size is perfect for targeting smaller, more delicate fish, like bluegill and crappie, while still being effective for larger species like walleye and trout. With this kit, you can target a wide variety of species, including panfish, crappie, perch, and even larger fish like walleye and trout. This versatility makes it a great go-to jig set for those who fish in various waters or want to try different techniques throughout the day. The set is compact, making it easy to transport, and it comes with a convenient storage box, ensuring your jigs are organized and ready to go. The Alicino Ice Fishing Jig Set is an excellent addition to any ice angler's tackle collection. It offers great versatility with its variety of bright colors and micro jig head designs, making it ideal for targeting multiple species like panfish, crappie, walleye, and trout. The durable construction of the hooks and the wide range of applications for both beginners and seasoned anglers make this set a great value for ice fishing enthusiasts. Third pick in our list is X-Fishman Crappie Lures. Whether you're fishing in freshwater lakes, ponds, or streams, this kit has you covered for your next crappie fishing adventure. The X-Fishman Crappie Jigs and Lures Kit is a highly versatile and well-rounded kit for any angler targeting crappie and other panfish. With its wide variety of jig heads and soft plastic lures, you'll have plenty of options to adapt to changing conditions. The quality and performance of the jig heads and lures make it a solid investment, and its value is hard to beat for the number of pieces included. In addition to crappie, this kit is versatile enough to be used for other panfish species such as bluegill, perch, and sunfish. It's a reliable all-around kit for targeting a variety of fish in different environments. The jig heads are well made, with sharp, durable hooks that provide solid hook sets. The hooks are strong enough to handle larger crappie and other panfish without bending or breaking. The set includes a mix of jig heads, soft plastics, and split-tail grub baits. This variety allows you to experiment with different presentations to see what the fish are biting on. Whether you're fishing in clear or murky water, the wide range of colors and sizes ensures you'll have the right lure. The X-Fishman Crappie Jigs and Lures Kit is an excellent choice for anglers targeting crappie and other panfish species. With its 135 and 40-piece sets, the kit provides a wide variety of jig heads, plastics, and split-tail grub baits that are perfect for crappie fishing. Number 4 on our side is Doveson Crappie Lures. Although some of the smaller lures may not be ideal for larger fish, this kit is a solid choice for anglers who appreciate variety and convenience on the water. The Doveson Crappie Lures Kit is a well-rounded and comprehensive set designed for anglers targeting crappie, walleye, trout, bass, and other freshwater species. With 50 to 100 soft plastic lures, this kit includes a variety of bait shapes like worms, minnows, paddletails, and grubs, providing plenty of options to match your fishing needs. Packaged with a handy tackle box, it's a great choice for both beginner and experienced anglers who enjoy flexibility and convenience. While the kit is primarily marketed for crappie fishing, the lures can be effectively used for other species like trout, walleye, and bass. The soft plastics offer great versatility, so you can switch between species without changing kits. The lures come neatly organized in a compact tackle box, making it easy to transport and keep your lures in order. The tackle box helps prevent tangling and ensures that the lures are always ready for use. The kit includes lures in a range of colors, allowing you to adjust your bait selection based on water clarity, weather conditions, and the preferences of the fish. Whether you're fishing in murky or clear water, you'll have the right color to match. Number 5. In our top 5 best ice fishing lures for crappie. THK Fish Ice Fishing Lures. While the lighter jigs may not be ideal for all situations, this kit provides excellent value for most ice fishing adventures. The THK Fish Ice Fishing Jigs Kit is a solid choice for ice anglers looking for a variety of effective jigs at an affordable price. With a good mix of glow-in-the-dark options, vibrant colors, and durable construction, this kit provides versatility for different fishing conditions and species. Whether you're targeting walleye, perch, or crappie, these jigs offer great performance, and the included tackle box makes it easy to stay organized. The kit comes with a compact and well-organized tackle box, making it easy to keep your jigs separated and accessible. The box is portable and fits easily into your ice fishing gear. The materials used in the THK Fish jigs are designed to hold up in cold weather conditions, ensuring that they don't crack or break after repeated use. The paint finishes are durable and resist chipping, even after multiple uses or contact with ice and rocks. The kit offers a variety of jig heads in different shapes, sizes, and weights, allowing anglers to experiment with their presentations and find what works best for the species and conditions they're targeting. These jigs are great for walleye, perch, crappie, and other panfish.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.